today the choice is clear for the Los Angeles City Council, and the right choice is the Green Energy Compromise Plan, a compromise crafted by Councilmember Richard Alarcon that allows for a one-time and a one-time only rate increase that keeps our commitment to clean energy and green jobs, that creates a lockbox for renewable energy, and that holds the department's feet to the fire to become more transparent and accountable to the people of Los Angeles. Now, we've heard our residents and businesses loud and clear, and we responded with this green energy compromise that keeps rates low. Let me point to this chart here. What it says is for residential, we're looking at a 6% increase in the ECAP, approximately $1.51 to $2.14 a month. Now it's time to pay for the investments that we make today that will bring returns tomorrow. But when it comes to walk the walk, not just talk the talk, to put up the money, to make the investments, to do the right thing, to make us green, well, all of a sudden you see a disappearing act. Well, guess what? That's not good enough. Today, LA has a choice. Today, the City Council has a choice, and the choice is clear. Let's start LA on a path to a sustainable green future. Let's start creating local jobs. Let's start investing in our green economy. Let's choose to go green.